Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to activate Crosshair X. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up Steam. Make sure that Steam is opened. And once that's done, go to your library and open up Crosshair X. Okay, make sure that it is running in the background. Now you can go ahead and close Steam. Alright, now go ahead and open up Crosshair X. Okay, and once it's opened, you can now go ahead and choose your specific crosshair. For example, maybe just this one right here, ammo ticker. Okay, as you can see here, it's not showing yet. Now to show it, you have here the hidden section at the top right. So all you'll do is just click on it, and as you can see here, we have it. Now if you want a shortcut, well, here we have the shortcut, Shift Alt plus Z. Okay, Shift Alt plus Z. There you go, it's gone. Again, Shift Alt plus Z. It's back again. That's basically it. All you got to do is make sure that Steam is running and Crosshair X is running in the background. You can now go ahead and close this one, and Crosshair X right here will just run in the background and will be on your taskbar. Okay. Now when you go ahead and open up a game, make sure that the game is under windowed full screen or windowed mode, as most of the full screen games, okay, cannot handle Crosshair X. All right. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.